Hi guys, welcome back to my channel if you're new. So today I am coming back to you with another hair video where I'm attempting to lay this wig, this beautiful curly highlight wig that I purchased from Unice. So if you want to see how I lay this wig, you already know what to do. Just keep on watching to the end of this video. So I just wanted to show you guys really quickly what Unice did have in the box or the packaging. Of course, they sent a wig cap, they sent some nice looking earrings, a rat tail comb, which was nice to have. You can never have enough rat tail combs. And also some lashes that I probably will not wear because these are way too long for me. But still, it was a nice gesture just to put something extra in there. So this is the hair after it's been co-washed and air dried for 24 hours. I'm just also showing you guys the parting space. This is a 13x4 wig, and I'm also showing you guys the hairline. It is pretty much good to go. I really did no plucking to this hair. I wanted a wig that was kind of pretty much good to go. So this is mom approved. I have 2 kids. I ain't got time to be doing all this plucking. I need something that's good to go. So if you're looking for a wig that you don't have to do a lot to, even if you do decide to pluck, this is a good wig for you. So of course the key to a good wig install is going to be making sure the top of your wig is good and flat. So I'm taking my wax stick and my hot comb and I'm going in and I am making sure that the top of my wig is nice and flat and straight so that I can get my wig to lay down really good. This is probably going to be a necessity, a hot comb and a wax stick. If you don't have nothing else, make sure you have your hot comb and a wax stick to make sure you get a good foundation for your wig. So next I'm just gonna go in with my edge control, and this is just the even edge control, and I'm just going in and making sure that my edges are nice and slick back so that when I do lay my wig, I don't have to worry about my hair being in the way. So I'm just also showing you guys how the wig looks. Never mind that piece of material on my wig. I was trying something out and it just didn't work, so do not mind that. But I do have the specs listed below of the wig. Okay, so this is the part where you just want to go in, make sure your wig is lined up with your actual hairline, and making sure it's in the place where you want it to be, so you can get ready to cut that lace off. And like I told y'all in the beginning, I am not a pro at this. I am still learning, so it might have been some things that I did not do right, but y'all, I tried, okay? So for my ladies out there, they're just like me, still learning, still trying to figure this thing out, this is probably the video for you so we can learn and we can get better together, okay?
That's good.
Okay, and this is example number 1. So I tried the method where you use the free spray first and then you cut off your lace after. I usually do it the other way around, where I cut off the lace first and then I lay it down with the free spray. If you're a beginner, I don't know if I would do this. The best thing when it comes to this method is make sure you're spraying the free spray as close to the hairline as possible, because if not, you'll be like me and you'll be taking forever just to cut off all that extra unnecessary lace. So if you are going to do this method or this way as a beginner, just make sure you're using free spray as close to your hairline as possible, because y'all will see after I cut the lace, I still had a lot of lace left, and then I had to kind of go off camera and cut off all that extra lace. So don't mind when y'all see all the extra lace on there. I am going to go in and clean that up. Again, guys, I just wanted to come back and reiterate to y'all that I did have to go back in and cut off a lot of that extra lace. So a lot of that I did have to do off camera. But yeah, this is not the final finished look. I had to cut off a lot. Also, as y'all probably can tell, I did not cut off all of the piece where the ear tab is. That's probably my struggle area. Most of the time I'm cutting too much of that part off. So I am going to leave an extra bit of lace until I cut my baby hairs, and then after that I'll cut that ear tab off and that'll be gone. Now just going in with my scissors, and I'm kind of cutting down and giving it kind of like a layered look. Definitely when you're cutting your baby hair edges, whether you want a lot or a little, whether you're going for a thick full baby hair look or something natural, definitely make sure you're being careful when you're cutting, because you can always go back in and take more hair off, but you cannot add more hair on. So if it's too long after cutting it the first time, like I said, you can always go back in and cut off the excess. But if you go ahead and cut it too short on the first try and it's way too short, then I don't know what to tell you. You kind of screwed at that point. So just make sure you're being careful whenever you're cutting your baby hairs, okay? Alright, so now I'm just going in with my rat tail comb, making sure that my part is as straight as possible before I take my powder and I go in and kind of define my part a little bit more. So I just wanted to give you all my final thoughts on this wig. This is not a wig that was sent for me to review. So this is going to be my own personal true thoughts Overall, I give this wig a 9 out of 10. It had minimal shedding. Of course, curly hair is going to shed a little bit. It was very soft. I love the colors. The density could have been a little bit fuller, but overall, the density was like a natural looking density. So, overall, I really did like this wig. Like I said, it was pretty much ready to go. I didn't have to do a lot to it. The only con that I can say about the whole experience was the shipping. The shipping took about 3 weeks just because when I did order this wig, after I ordered it, then it was out of stock. But I do say that they did keep in touch with me through email and through text message. I did kind of get upset because I just wasn't expecting it to be out of stock as soon as I ordered it. But I guess I'm not gonna let that deter me from ordering from them again. So I will probably end up giving them another chance and order from them again in the future. But I did just want to at least give my little experience on it.